Hey everybody, what's going on? Jim from Grassroots Piano. I have a fun warm-up I want to share with everyone today. It's in 6/8 time, it's 3 chords. This is my middle C, and we are going to go down 2 octaves, and we're going to do the classic root 5th octave. We're going to do that. We're thinking 6/8, by the way. We're going to do that for a bar, and then we're just going to go up a step to the D minor, D, A, D, back to C, and then low G. So that's going to be on beats 1, 2, and 3. The right hand is going to be way down here. Again, that's middle C. We're going to start with the E, and then we're spreading the hands out. And I like this warm-up because I have that ring finger on C and then the 5 on E. All right? So you want to practice that comfortably. If you're having a hard time with that, just take your time, go through it slowly. Now I'm going to demonstrate it super slow. So you're going to want to subscribe if you like what I'm doing, if you're interested in learning more about piano accuracy, notes and chords and progressions, the list goes on. Here we go. Hand positions ready. We've got our 5. We're going to do 2 on G, root here, the 1 on the C. 1, 2. No pedal yet. Super slow. Now to the D. 1, 2. Back to the C. I haven't played it this slow. It's putting me asleep. That's good. Accuracy is everything. Control and G. As us piano teachers say, avoid awkward twisting. All right, I'm going to try it a little faster and it'll wake me up a bit. We have I'm pedaling on the beginning of the new chord. Pedal. Listen to each chord tone and try to bring out the notes that you like. It's always about knowing where you're going, and we do that by practicing. So I'm going to let you go. Keep making great music. If you want to check out some rhythm videos, I'd highly suggest this one. This is the one video that's taken off on my channel, a few, but this one is going really well, so enjoy. Let me know how you're doing. Bye-bye.